Hey guys, welcome to the new video. In this video we'll see how to make use of SQL plus new value function. So with this new value function, what you can do is you can fetch any value from a table, that is a table column, and assign that value to a new variable without using any PL SQL block. So this is a very good alternative to use to PL SQL block when you have simple use cases, because if you are trying to write a script to automate any use cases, then you'll be inclined to use PL SQL block where there is some changes which you would like to get from one table, use that value, and then assign it for any DML or DDL statements. You'll have to use the PL SQL block. But with SQL plus new value function, you can avoid a PL SQL block. So to demonstrate that, let's see how to create a table space. So for creating a table space, I need, for example, create table space. This is the command, test table space data file. Now this is the base path. There is a base path and then there is a new data file, right? Data file.dbf, size say 5M. Okay, now in a script I want to get this base path from existing $data file table. So to do that, how do you automate this thing? So your first inclination will be to use a PL SQL block, but using SQL plus new value feature, what you can do is get the base path from $data file and assign that value to a new variable, and then make use of that variable here in this create table space statement. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So here are my data files and my base path is this up to XE, right? So to get that, what I'll do, I'll just make use of the substring and instr function. This is the -1 from $data file as name from $data file. Okay, I need just one row. Okay, so I got the base path. Now I need to assign this value to a variable and then make use of that variable to create a table space. So everyone, I believe whoever is watching this video knows how to do it via PL SQL block, but there is this function called as new value. From that you can do it like column name, this is column name, new value, base path. Okay, so what will happen with this declaration, what you're doing is you're telling SQL plus that whatever value which is getting fetched, that is this name column, whatever value is getting fetched, assign that to base path as well. Okay, so if I do this as name from $, where row num is equal to 1. Okay, now what happened, there is a name column, then there is a base path. To add a data file, I need this base path. Now let's create a table space, test table space, using this base path. Okay, so what happened, there is this value, there is a base path, it is a name variable, sorry, named column, we have this value. We are assigning this value to the base path. Okay, so data file and base path. This is the base path. Test table space. We'll do it as test.dbf and size 5em. Okay, what happened? Create table space name. This is the data file, and this base path comes from this SQL PLUS. You can see I got this base path from this new value function. Okay, so let me repeat again. What I did, I defined column name, that is name, and new value is base path. Okay, so what happened after that? I ran a select statement. So I got this base path. So this base path value, it's like declaring base path variable and assigning the value from name column, whatever we get from table, we are assigning this value to the base path and then referring that in a SQL statement. Okay, so what I did, create table space data file and base path. You need to use the ampersand, and then so this base path SQL plus will make sure that this value is fed in this base path. So that is being done here like shown, and I messed that. This is the location, sorry for that. We can do it again. Drop table space, test table space using including contents and data file. Okay, now since this is a Windows, need to use the backslash. Okay, now let's see how many. Okay, you can see that we have created a new table space, and this is the data file, and we got the base location by just making use of this new value feature. Okay, if you have any doubts, please use the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. We'll come with several Oracle videos in the coming days. Keep subscribing.